How to hide saved pin on Pinterest. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To hide the saved pin on Pinterest, check out a Pinterest application in your device. So if you are not logged in, make sure to log in first and foremost. Now over here, what you need to do is you can actually make your Pinterest account private as well. For that, you can check out your profile icon that is at the bottom. From here, navigate to the option of profile icon in the top left corner. From here, you can find the option of profile visibility. You can click on it. So firstly, you need to ensure the search privacy is toggled off, which will help you to hide your profile and boards from search engine. Then again, make sure to toggle on the private profile option. This will allow only your followers to check out some of your pins and board. However, it will not be visible for the public. You can also select some of the followers that can view your pins and board, and only those can check it, and it will remain private for the rest. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.